Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can present your PowerPoint slides in Teams. Okay, so before that, I'm going to show you on how you can save your files in PowerPoint format. So here I am using the Canva. So for example, this template right here. So you just have to click on the share option at the top right. Okay, and then click on the download option. Okay, so here on the file type, make sure to select the PPTX or the Microsoft PowerPoint document. Okay, so after that one, make sure to select all of the pages. Okay, so select all and then click on done after that. Now you just have to click on the download option and then save it in your computer. Okay, so once you have downloaded the PowerPoint format, you have to go now to the Teams. Okay, so here on Teams, as you can see right here, you have your channels and your teams. So you just have to choose where you want to start the conversation or where do you want to present this PowerPoint presentation. So for example, right here for our client number one, okay, so you just have to click on it and then select the channel. Okay, so here you can click on this Meet Now option at the top right of your screen. That's right. And then here you can also customize the name of this meeting. And then make sure to turn on your camera as well as your audio. Now click on the Join Now option. Okay, so here to before we present our presentation, you have to invite the people who can join you. So you just have to copy and share the link to invite someone. So to copy the link, just simply click on this option. That's right. And then you just have to add here the participants manually so you can add their email or their name. After that, you can also share via default email. So here, just going to close this one. Okay, so now just simply click on the share option at the top right. Okay, so right here, as you can see, you have this browse OneDrive and browse my computer. So just have to select your options. For example, you are going to select the browse OneDrive. So before that, as you can see right here, you can actually share your screen, window, or tab. Okay, and then just have to select your window, your entire screen as well. So for example, this one. So this is our another tab. So this one right here. So we don't want to do this one because we want to be more professional. That's why we have an alternative where we can present our PowerPoint presentation directly. So for example, you want to share this tab. Okay, so you can actually just go here directly and then you can now present this presentation. But here, let's just stop sharing and then go back here on Teams. So what we are going to do is to simply click on the share again and then go here on the browse OneDrive and browse my computer. So I'm just going to select browse OneDrive. That's right. And then if your presentation is not here yet, you just have to upload your file. Okay, so to upload your file, just have to go here on my files option. That's right, and then click on the upload option. Okay, so you have your files or folders. I'm just going to upload my file and then go to your computer. So this is the PowerPoint presentation that we have saved from Canva. So just have to select this one and click on open. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once the file is uploaded, you just have to simply click on it and then click on attach. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, you're now sharing your PowerPoint presentation here in Teams. So as you can see, we don't need to actually we don't need to open another tab just to present because you can because you can upload the PowerPoint presentation directly here on Teams. So you can now start presenting. Okay, so as you can see right here, you just have to click on this one. So this red border on your screen, it indicates that it only shows this section to your audience or to the people that you're having a meeting with. So if you have notes right here, you want to cite specific key points or notes, you just have to add it right here, and then your audience will not going to see that because you are only sharing this PowerPoint slides. Okay, so this is one of the advantage if you are going to use Microsoft Teams to present your PowerPoint presentation. So you can also use this pen at the bottom if you want to cite a specific section here on your presentation, and then just if you want to proceed, and then you can also use this eraser if you would like to remove the pen that you are using. So for example, if you want to highlight this bag right here, so if you want to delete this one, then you just have to trace it or just simply click on it. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here as well the number of slides, and then you also have here your view. So if you would like to change your view, you just have to simply click on it and then change your view. Okay, so for your cursor, okay, if you would like to change your cursors, you just have to simply click on it, and then you'll be able to see here now your cursor. Okay, so right here, of course, at the top, if you would like to have a conversation while having your presentation, just have to simply click on it, and then this section will open. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here the meeting information. So we started the meeting at 4:27 p.m. That's right. And then if you would like to add your instruction to the people that you're having a meeting with, so you just have to simply type it right here. And then, for example, during your presentation, you would like to upload a file, and then you would like to tell them to download this specific file for their reference, then you can upload your file right here. Okay, so they don't need to actually record the entire meeting for this presentation because you can actually upload here the file. Okay, for example, we are going to upload here the same file. So just have to send it right here, and then just tell them for the reference to download the file after your meeting. Okay, so just make sure to turn on your camera if required, and then your audio as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.